Hi guys, today I want to look at the command linestring and some hidden features which you may not know about. So I have opened a blank template for this exercise. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so I can, 20 meters is pretty good. Hit the CAD ribbon and linestring. So we already talked a little bit. I'm just gonna do it in default 0 layer, and I'm gonna start to draw my line string. I'll put 150, go to here, 151. Then I'm just gonna create like a, let's say, best fit arc. And again, straight. So, okay, beautiful. Just have a toothpick so I don't see the arc, but the arc is there. Now what I wanted to show you here is if you go and click on these 3 dots here next to your current segment, which is called browse. When you hit that, it will give you your line string history. So see, I went straight, then I went best fit arc, and everything. So you can select the segment which you want to edit, right? And you can edit that segment. So if you have a long history, let's say some kind of alignment or anything, and you're just going, okay, length and what is in there, you can just double click it and it will select that segment and you can edit that thing. So, okay, I want a 152 elevation here, right? And let's end it up here. So, also, hopefully you guys knew about this one. So when you, you don't have to enter the elevation. You can enter percent slope or delta or whatnot in your elevation. Trimble Business Center will automatically calculate the right elevation. To demonstrate, let's go here and let's put here 100. And let's go here, and instead of entering elevation, let's put 4%. So it's gonna automatically calculate over this distance how much the 4% elevation would be. Hope you found this informative. Do you like what you see? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified on all the upcoming videos. See you next time.